Hey y'all, welcome to a week in my life. It's your girl akeyachic. This week is focused on resetting. This week is getting everything clean, getting my schedule straight, making sure everything is in order so I can stay on business and accomplish my goals. The house is in shambles. And whenever the house is chaotic, my mind's chaotic. They kind of go interchangeably. Like, it's confusing, but all I know is I need to clean this dang house. First things first, we're gonna drink this water. Then we're gonna clean this house. Sounds like a plan. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. I'm about to do some content. It's a rainy day. I keep doing content on rainy days and they be making me so sleepy, but yeah, I'm about to do some content. I did my makeup, but I use like this red color from the Jackie Aina palette and I like it. To do like Easter outfits and spring outfits because spring is almost here and I'm so excited for the season. I'm ready for the sun to shine and the weather to be warmer. I'll show y'all what the outfits are. This dress, so cute. It's just the back doesn't have that same pearl effect, but the front, we ain't worried about the back because this is so cute. You make me anxious. I've been waiting for some all your moves is crazy. You call me. Happy Friday. Your girl is finally leaving the house. This has been, I was supposed to leave the house on Tuesday, didn't do it. Wednesday, didn't do it. And Thursday, didn't do it. But Friday, work from home, girly, you have to leave the house, okay? No matter where you go and work. I've heard people say they work at a library. If you have like a co-working space, I used to work at one. Those are really good. But I just like coffee shops so I can be around a lot of people. I'll show y'all my little outfit of the day. And then I'm heading to the coffee shop. So proud of me for getting out of the house. Of the day, very spring. Got this pink button down, these straight leg jeans that I love, and then these pink sneakers. Just got gold accessories on and my pink glasses that I always wear. This is the outfit. Hey y'all, what's up? I had to take my hair down, okay? It was stressing me out. I had ponytails, but the product I was using was turning gray. My hair was super dry. So I was like, you know what? We just going natural. And I haven't worn a puff in so long, but I just took a shower and rinsed out all the product and added this pattern moisturizing cream. One of the things that I want to do now that I have a lot of free time is to have hobbies again. Hobbies that will specifically get me off my phone and get me out of the house. And one of those things is reading. I actually found a book at the coffee shop when I was working. I think the coffee shop had books and I just started reading. And I found this really cool book that I liked. And I'm like, you know what? Let's go to the public library and get a book. Oh, we just came from the library. You in the thing. Oh, fake. So, we just came from the library. We got 2 books. Oh, I got 2 books. Let me see.
I got 1 book.
You want to show?
Sure.
It's kind of not focusing, but
you can read it. Okay.
Soul Boom by Rain Wilson. And I got, this is the book that I got from the coffee shop. Apparently it's super popular, so, but it was good. I read it to chapter 3, so I'm excited to keep reading it. I got it until April 1st. And then I got this, How to Cure Burnout. Oh, the cure for burnout. So that was fun. The library has so much good stuff, y'all.
Get a library card.
Yeah, get your little library card. It's free. If you want to ever like learn something, they got a bunch of books on everything. It was really dope. I was like, dang, this is cool. But now we're about to go try to make something for dinner. Crazy. But yeah. Okay, bye y'all. Hey y'all. I'm headed to go work outside the house. Work outside the house. Hey, work outside the house. Yes, this is what I'm wearing. Got this new vintage varsity fine, these little high-rise trousers, this crop top, and my Air Maxes. Got the hair out, and it feels good. It feels good to have the hair out. This is the look. I've been listening to music all day, so I'm a little turned. But yeah, this is the look. Ow. This is the look. Bow. Oh, happy Sunday. We are about to eat dinner and then we're gonna go to this little coffee shop that we really liked. It's super cozy in there. It's a nice little vibe. I got like this updo moment. I need my hair to be looking great this week because got a lot of events this upcoming week. So be sure to look out for the next vlog. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing for today and I'll see y'all at the coffee shop. So this is what I'm wearing, a little casual moment. I just got on this pink sweater, it's button down, and some leather leggings. I recently thrifted these leather leggings. I've been wanting to try some. I don't know, I would never really wear skinny jeans like that anymore, so it's weird for me. But then I finished the look with some sneakers. Just got on gold accessories, these glasses. I need to get some new ones, but this is the outfit.